body kit is finally here. We've been waiting almost a whole year for this. Before we get into this unboxing, I want to give a huge shout out to the homies at Blacklist Motorsports. They were a huge help. They were the ones that I went through to buy this kit. And yeah, super responsive, super helpful through the whole process. I couldn't be more grateful for them. Their app will be right here somewhere on the screen. If you guys need anything for your car, I'm sure they could have it or find it for you. It's not sponsored, by the way. Real recognizes them real, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, I don't even know how to open this. I should probably get something sharp. Aha, got a blade. I just realized that this big ass box isn't even in the camera. Take our trusty steed right here. Pop this bad boy open. Oh yeah, bud. Lots of cardboard in here. That's fine, that's fine. How am I gonna get this thing out? Yeah. Look at this wrap. Look at this wrap, y'all. This is immaculate protection. You guys are gonna watch me attempt to grab this thing out of here without breaking it. Nah, we got it. We're just fine. Look at that. Get this fat ass box. Like I can get all the way up in here. Oh. Oh yeah, my little brother gonna have fun with this one. Ah, shit. Think I can hurdle out of this? Oh, shit. Ah. Woo. All right. That we have this. It looks like it's already white. Did they paint match it already? Or is that just like a white FRP thing? I don't know, but it's not spoiled yet, so y'all really can't see it just yet. And we got the rear bumper sitting over there. All right, y'all, now we have to figure out how to take all of this bubble wrap or like freaking floaty material off, which is actually really nice. How the hell? Because I didn't expect it to come this well packaged. So shout out to them for really taking care of the product. That's always nice. But I should probably be careful with this because I don't want to scratch the bumper.
Say I love we can get away. Tesla slide, these drugs make you feel away. Stop, rewind. Like I'm here for real. When I'm on the road, you're so cold, like you sick for real. I'm trying to mold you, make you my bitch. My love in your body so tight, it's fitting time.
Oh yeah. I think we are one step closer. All right, now I gotta really be careful because it's a thin layer of bubble wrap left and that's it. All right, y'all can pretty much see what it is right now, but we're about ready for the review. I see that there's a little bit of miscellaneous parts like for the grill meshes. One is in and one is out actually, and it's just right here. So I'm not sure. Oh, I guess it goes in the front, but we have this piece and this is gonna need to be wrapped black. So good luck to my boy Kiro on wrapping this black because this looks like a pain in the ass. But you know, he's the best in business, so he's gonna be able to do it regardless. Anyways, without further ado, let's reveal this bad boy. Let's get all of this shit off. Y'all see it, man? Y'all see it. But are y'all seeing it in its full effect though? Because y'all not yet. There's still a whole bunch of lip left. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, bud. All this dang bubble wrap is killing me right now. Ooh, that didn't sound good. As you can see, we have got the Robot Craftsman high Perion front bumper. This kind of looks like similar to the concept car that we got for the Supra, and ever since the first day I seen somebody was making a kit that looked like the concept car, I needed to have it. I didn't care who made it. I didn't care what it was. I needed to have it. It had to be this style front bumper. And this is exactly why we haven't got a lip. We haven't got canards. None of that for Susie yet. So the bare face for Susie is really bland and boring right now. And I know it's been like that for too long, but this is what we've been waiting for the last 7 months or so. And well worth the wait. I haven't even seen this baby from the front yet. Sheesh. This thing looks crazy. Like, y'all don't understand what we're really getting ourselves into right now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. I really hope these lines right here line up with these body lines right here. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, take a good look at Susie now and the future of Susie. Oh, this is gonna look so good. And keep in mind, this isn't all gonna be color match. A lot of this stuff down here on the lip or whatever is gonna be black, and then this stuff up top will be the color that we are wrapping the car. We already are locked in for an appointment to get the car wrapped within the next few weeks now, so Susie is gonna be coming along quick. And sorry if my hair looks stupid, I just got out the shower. My hairline fucked up. So we have the rear bumper going on Susie, the front bumper going on Susie. All we need now is some side skirts, fenders, and a hood, and Susie will be looking immaculate. Fenders and hood and side skirts are gonna come later after the wrapping these bumpers, but now you guys have a really good visual on what version 1 of Susie is gonna look like. Told y'all, don't doubt me. Whoever doubted me on not getting a lip, whoever was in the comments telling me get a lip, you need a lip, you need a lip, I know. Don't doubt me. I got y'all. I always come through with fire shit. Plain, don't ever doubt TYB, because TYB is TYB. I'm super excited. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this kit combo right here. I really feel like we gonna break the internet with this one. This Susie is gonna truly be one of one. I've always wanted to be one of the first people, or one of the very few people in the world with something at a time. So I know as this kit gets more popular, more people are gonna have it. But just to know that I was one of the first ones to get it with the pre-order and for it to be on the car like ASAP, I'm super excited. So probably this weekend I'm gonna be prepping these bumpers for the wrap because they're a little bit rough around the edges. Gotta sand it down. I gotta fix. And I gotta fill some of the holes that are on the rear bumper and then re-drill them. Damn, this shit looks mean, y'all. It kind of looks like a toilet seat right there, though. Damn.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella balls. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow ball. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro? My dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.